I'm out at 9.5.
Oh, we're about to try 9.5.
Jesus Christ.
That's that resistance.
RSI is at 80. This will be about an $1,800 loss. Something happened. Oh, those are some huge candles. Oh, there you go. I've got a. Oh no, you just dropped it.
Definitely smacked our head on that resistance, though.
I'm glad I set it high enough that I don't get stopped out immediately.
Nice. Yeah, that is an art, isn't it?
It's all guesswork. There's no friggin' art to this. You just take your best guess. You'd be surprised how many times I miss a stock price by 1 penny.
Yeah, it's like a hypothesis. It's an educated guess going off of data.
Okay, well, I see a huge pullback coming. 9.4. I'm going to take a quick look here.
I think we could still break this resistance. Not off the table yet.
9396. I'm in.
I think that was the lower high I was looking for.
Yeah, that could be.
Try to post.
Oh, look, I finally got the sound turned off. Just as red as it was green.
Yeah, ate up that move quick.
I get in the right time. Hold on. I am closing the trade. That's $100 profit. So I got out at, hold on. 9353.
Got out at 9353 from a short. I'm guessing Clive was shorting.
Oh yeah, Clive posted. It's posted in general.
Okay, nice.
Morning, guys.
What's up, man? Good morning.
I was up earlier checking charts out. Had to give the kids breakfast, and now I'm back at it again. And it looks like we're getting like a little push up here.
Yeah, there's a little volatility, that's for sure. It's kind of nice.
The more I'm reevaluating after falling through that like 17K range, 17.5K with BTC, starting to really agree with be a little bit more on market direction over the long term here. I think we can get a little run here in December, and but it'll like collapse.
So you're thinking down?
Originally, I was thinking we were going to find our bottom, 17.5 again. We went lower, into the 15. The technicals look like there is a crypto bottom here, but the legacy markets, the bigger markets, and all the different rate changes and stuff, I feel like that is going to come into play in a couple months more. I feel like so as the crypto, we get this nice balance of what a lot of people think may be a bottom. Technically, is really just, it's going to get crushed.
So you're saying you think this is a temporary bottom?
Yeah, temporary bottom with a little rally off it through December. And yeah, temporary bottom, a rally through December, and then capitulation down.
Yeah,
And where are you? Oh, sorry, Clive. Your voice is really quiet, so sometimes I start talking and don't even realize that you're also talking. Go ahead, though.
I think legacy just keep crypto alive for now, but standing on its own, if it was in a micro universe by itself, I see a total collapse until this FTX thing is taken care of.
Okay. Do you think that maybe we do get a little positive rise in December, maybe a little sideways, but do you think if the actual legacy markets have a problem though next year, crypto will take a major hit from it first, right? I mean, it's a high risk asset.
I don't think that the legacy market is going down. I think the Fed has done its job. We're almost
okay.
there, and that we will see. As I've quoted, January and February are the best month since 1950. Overall, since 1929, it's been November, December. But that I'm only going back a decade right now, or half a decade. So I see January, February, and possibly my prediction of an all-time high in end of quarter 2 could come to realization. I think the rest of the world needs to get the rest of their shit in order. Starting with at least the euro and the British pound. They need to get their inflation under control. I think we will have our inflation under control, that employment will go down, that the market, who cares what the market, doesn't care what the market is doing. They care about the worldwide inflation rate. Over.
I see what you're saying. I like that opinion. That's pretty cool. Do you think the Fed? Well, have we had max pain yet, though? Are we going to experience a max pain after the highs then of next year, quarter 2?
What did we go down? We went down 18-20%. That's not earth shattering. Put your charts on the 1980s and when we had 20% inflation.
Oof, yeah.
Wow, that was a drop down for Doge. That's insane.
Yeah, man. It's like a 3% move in a very short period of time.
I made $1,500 on the last trade, and I am now in profit on the first trade.
91599.
My stop loss, my take profit is 9197.
Play's gonna be off to 599.
These are some huge jumps. Not yet, not yet. Bid versus ask is huge on Yuko Way. But I'm in the profit. I've covered the $5 million clean bait.
So, Clive, I would think that with a rising regular legacy markets, that would, there might be there's problems with crypto, but it would help pull crypto with it, correct?
Yes, indeed. Yes. I totally agree with that, but I think it's the only reason that crypto will go up.
Yes. Okay. All right. We are on the same page then, because hear me out then with this. As long as the regular market goes up, people, I'm not saying us, I'm not saying everybody, but a lot of people are just going to think crypto is bottomed. And when that market reaches its resistance level where it wants to come down a little bit and find support, I think crypto is just going to get wrecked.
Yeah, I totally agree with that. I don't see, unless that 12-week experiment with JP Morgan turns out positive and we start to adopt crypto, which I think is going to take at least 5 years, I don't see anything happening for a generation. It will creep in on us. Banks will slowly adopt it and utilize it and make things faster. As far as this whole thing of making the stock market, better for funding, etc., they don't need it. The big institutions will take care of themselves. It's worked that way for 100 years. Why change it? And I think that keeping people at least 1 or 2 days for the funding rate to take care of itself, protect both the consumer and the institutions. I mean, imagine if somebody hacked this whole system. It could happen. Everyone says it's almost impossible. That word "almost" is awfully big.
Yeah, it really is. It is awfully big word to use.
Not cheat on you. Yeah, I don't think she would.
The human consciousness with our creations in Hollywood, like, was it like Starnet or whatever, with like the Terminator and different things, and people talk about AI becoming, I don't want to use the word like self-conscious, but able to.
I understand. I think if we keep funding AI, we're going to kill ourselves.
And that's just it. I wonder if an advanced enough AI could interface and hack crypto, or some forms of crypto in some way in the future. That would be like it's like the year's 2042, and AI has taken over our monetary systems. We literally are powerless against the AI machine. We have no cash. All our monetary systems are digital. Anyway, I'm just messing it. But that's how I'm going to play this market. I'm going to play it by watching the regular stocks and stuff. And as long as we're green there and going, I think crypto will chug along.
Just had to post real quick. I covered all my shorts for Doge. So about a 15K morning.
Awesome. Yeah, Doge is really, every run up it just gets chopped. We did drop pretty good here this morning, didn't we? A couple percent there.
Yeah, that was over a 3% drop from that resistance. So if you shorted it from close to 9.5, that's nice.
Well, I had it really tight. As soon as I was in the profit, $1,500, I closed that second short. And then this one just stood there, and that made me another 4,000 or 5,000.
Yeah, man, keep them coming. Keep those wins coming.
I mean, can you imagine running an exchange with 30-year-olds who have no idea what they're doing? I mean, they set themselves up. They were great salesmen. I mean, they're playing video games while they're taking in $1 billion worth of investment money. This is the most irresponsible thing I've ever seen, and exactly why the SEC should take care of it, or the commodity exchange.
Mm-hmm.
Imagine walking into somebody's office, you got $10,000 in your pocket, and he says, "Oh, wait a minute, I'm just about to level up on or play this chess game, or I'm playing some video game. Really? And they fooled some really smart people. I was ready to sign up 2 weeks before that. I saw that you couldn't. I wanted to set up a little micro account, $500 for my wife and $10,000 for myself. And I saw that the smallest trade you could possibly make was $600. No, I want something that I can just play with. That is a huge jump down for Doge. Did not see that coming.
Yeah, let's see. What are we at so far?
9140.
Yeah, 4%. Damn.
25x. So basically 100% profit. That needs to stick. I'll be back.
Wow. Next EMA you have to go to the next chart to find is 9061. You have to go out to the 15-minute chart with the 100. 9061, it's the 100.
Yeah, we got some price action support there too.
Because it completely obliterated the 200 on the 5-minute chart.
Yeah, that was an impressive spike down. Like when you look at that, and that's only a handful of 1-minute candles, and it was a 4% drop.
Trail BTZ, pretty much exactly. Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Morning, Randall.
Morning, man. What's happening?
So I figured out my issue. I've just done a quick Google search. There is a problem with Discord and not being able to copy and paste. You can like if you go hit copy on your chart, you can hit Control V to paste it in general. The other thing you can do is go to your settings, go to under accessibility, and enable the old chat. Hold on.
I'm having that trouble too, so I just hit Control V and it works. But the actual, like, use it with the mouse, it doesn't work.
So if you go down to use the legacy chat input, you can go back to copy paste. I'll show you real quick. I'll do it right now. So that second image was the copy paste. Go, like I said, go under user settings, go to accessibility, scroll down to use the legacy chat input, turn that on, and then you can copy and paste. I thought I'd done something and I got blocked from posting it, and I was like, Coley, help. And she said, I don't see nothing. So I've done it. Like I said, I just went to Google and searched it, and it's a problem. It's on Reddit. There's actually YouTube videos show you how to fix it.
Cool. I'm glad you were able to fix it.
Yeah, I'm glad you're not like being canceled by someone.
It's like that, like in direct messaging. If I go if I go to like chat with you and I copy and paste a link from YouTube or something, for example, I can't use my mouse to copy and paste it. I have to control V it.
Well, if you do what I said, if you go to that settings, and change that one setting, you can use your mouse.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay,
I'm
I'm
just letting
good.
you know
Hold
that-
on, Doge.
Not just in the chat room, it's in it, everything. So, thank you, Alan.
Doge is bouncing back a little bit. Maybe we're just liquidating the high leverage longs before it's moon time.
That's still doing what BTC's doing.
Oh yeah, I'm just looking at Doge right now. Bitcoin's been very boring lately. I got tired of watching it get magnetized to 16.5.
Okay, I posted. I'm long 924.
Nice, good luck, man.
Well, I have to overcome a $500 charge right off the bat.
What's up, Clyde?
Playing gambling at this point.
Yeah, man, he's on the Doge train right now.
Live man.
Almost in profit. It's 52,000 Doge.
For those of you long, be careful. You're about to have a death cross if they don't do a pump. It did go down and get a good bounce off at 200, but these death crosses start happening. It's going to be a big push.
Yeah, we really do need to push here if we're not going to get sent further down.
I'm still down 28,000 on my short of BTC.
I just want to see 9.5 break, just to see that move.
Okay.
Are you-
Got in? Where would you take profit here? I'm thinking 936.
Yeah, there's definitely some resistance up there for sure in that 9.3 area.
Well, the problem is it got rejected off the 50 off that bounce. You look at the 5-minute chart, it took that bounce off the 200 and got rejected off the 50.
Yeah, which is the 200 on the 1 minute rejection from there.
So it's kind of pinned under. So yeah, there's your new 5-minute candle. And
Doge been playing perfectly within my fib range I've had drawn for days still. But I haven't been trading, unfortunately.
Oh, really? Man, Doge has been moving nice the past couple days.
I've been busy doing stuff at the house. So I kind of like, I guess I've didn't mean to take a few days off, kind of, even though I've been charting still. I haven't actually I'm still doing something. I'm just not trading.
Gotcha.
After I had that good short, I had a bad day a few days ago. I kicked back like $1,200. Yeah.
Sorry, man.
It happens. I knew I was messing up. So I stopped. But I paid $1,200 for another lesson, you know? So that's the way I look at it.
Yeah, man. Another round of tuition.
All stop outs.
You can do it, Doge. Don't be a little bitch.
Know what's going to happen if it gets that next rejection.
Love the talk.
Rejection is coming.
Yeah.
It gets this rejection. If it gets rejected right here one more time, 9-0.
That's where my stop loss is, 9-0. I thought I would wake up to 9-0.
I'm honestly surprised that we held so close to 9.5 overnight.
Yeah.
I want to know what camera Mouse is using. My gosh.
Wow, yeah. That's like art.
Beautiful.
She has some really amazing
Wow.
pictures.
Yeah, those are beautiful.
She has one of her. She took a picture at the beach that was so pretty that I overlaid a nice quote on it and then printed it out as a giant poster and have it hanging up in my living room.
That picture of the trail with the leaves and stuff is just so deep and beautiful.
It's a great jigsaw puzzle.
Yeah, you have to be a crackhead to do that.
Where is that? Where did she
Just
reside?
accomplished 100k BFUDs on Twitch.
She's on vacation right
Hell
now.
yeah.
That's in Germany.
Oh, okay. I'm German. Well, like 90%.
How many more times do you think Sam's going to say, I'm sorry? 100 billion? Okay, we're in the profit on a long Doge. These exchanges make a ton off us. I think I calculated all so far in let's say 4 months they've made over $300,000 on me. I'm sorry, 30,000, not 300,000. In decimal point.
I was about to say, goddamn. But still, that's substantial.
I'm up 600 in 3 months.
That's good, man.
It helps. It helps. I've told you guys I was down 15 million at one point this year.
I'm guessing that wasn't the first time you've been temporarily down, though. So.
It hasn't happened in a decade. I have had
Oh,
4 years out of 50 that I've been down.
how does that feel when you're down multi-millions?
Talk to my investors. I'm only 10% of the portfolio. I get that as my commission. And I offered to buy everybody out. I couldn't do it, but I knew that I'd probably get 1 or 2 people. So $3 or $4 million would be okay. I could cover that. But if they all exited, wow, that would have been something. I offered to drop my salary from $500 an hour to $1 an hour. They're like, well, I don't think you're going to have vested interest in us if we drop you down that low. I said, you're right. I'm not going to do this for less than $500K a year. I could go work for a firm for a guarantee of at least $700 a year. But at my age, I don't have any aspirations of hitting $1 billion. My time was 10 years ago, and unfortunately, my partner died.
Yeah, sorry to hear that.
Well, it was very sudden. He came down with cancer, and they gave. He had his girlfriend was a nurse, and he said, "I don't even know about it. It's that bad." Friend of mine, his sister just went from. She was stage 1 3 months ago. She went within 3 months. She was at stage 4. She died a week later.
Jeez, yeah, that was quick. Doja's.
Pump from here.
Yeah, we're getting rejected so far from that MA.
It takes a while for the MA to catch up. There goes another drip.
Big one. He dropped under the 200 on the 5 minute. It's under. It's gone.
Yep. Brand new low. $9121 was the low here at 9 o'clock. This is the only time I enjoy trading. And there's a new low. 9116.
Man, that's impressive. Like we've almost made a half-cent move down in such a short period of time. Like the potential for profit in like no time at all. That's so impressive.
This is one of the few times
Yeah.
where I'll just watch it, because if I can get into profit and get out to make myself a little bit, I'm out. So far, I'm 2 for 2. 3 for 3.
Yeah, 4% profit in only 7 5-minute candles. So 35.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
got a big cat in there somewhere.
Bitcoin's threatening to give up that 16.5 again.
And 1 flat. And lower. You're only a genius as far as your last sale.
Oh man. What a move.
Told you, follow me and you will lose money. Nine one is my I'm sorry, 90. My stop loss.
Wow. Half of a cent move in less than an hour.
Yep. Well, I said below 9 by the morning. I'm a little bit off, but
Good morning.
Good morning.
Down we go.
So
not Doge.
I mean, we're still above 9 cents. That's impressive. Like the fact that like Bitcoin is teetering under 16.5 and Doge is at 9 cents. Like, wow.
One more candle and we'll break 9. One hell of a lot of volume.
Everybody's selling. Sell, sell, sell. There's a saying, when it rains, it pours.
It's a BLS.
What's up, brother? Hi, Randall. Hi, Clive.
I am barely holding on.
to your short.
Yeah. Well, 9-0 is my stop loss.
Yeah.
9029. I mean, that is as close as it can get.
Oh, you're long.
Yeah, I'm long. I posted it.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. We stopped short of that.
Crispy. I would not be making as much as I had if I hadn't done a double short.
That's amazing, man. Like we those are the bounds of this range that we're in right now on the short time frames. Like 9 cents support, 9.5 cent resistance, and just to visit those bounds just so quickly. What the hell is going on?
Well, those magical numbers are always very relevant. Retail looks at 9-0, but computers look at 90.005.
Yeah, no, I'm
We're all gonna die.
If I was really trading right now, I'd take long.
People are gonna die.
Yeah, I heard expect this the other day. Back to true form.
Is he back to his old self?
Not quite. I think he's toned it down a bit.
That's what's up.
He claims to be bullish.
Yeah.
In his pants.
Yo, what up, Shorty?
What up, shorties? Hope everybody's Thanksgiving went well. Hope everybody had diarrhea because the food was amazing and you ate. So,
Morning, Yo-Yo.
good morning. I was scrolling through General on Thanksgiving. I was like, man, I wonder if somebody got drunk and posted something embarrassing in General. Let me take a look.
I didn't drink at all this year. That's a feat.
I think I was up to like 4 or 5 in the morning. Spent most of yesterday recovering.
$9.95K.
Gets back to the old adage, I make more money shorting.
You know, with that wick playing through the 100 the way it did on the 15-minute, I'm wondering if we're not going back to the 200 on the 15. 8807.
Translation, up or down?
Down.
Okay. I'm going to say up.
I'll show you.
I'm almost tempted to take another long here.
So charts in general right there.
Okay.
So what I'm looking at is that wick blew through the 100 on the 15 minute. And we've been playing the 1-5, but you see this death cross happening on the getting ready to happen. That green, which is the 20 on the 15 minute, getting ready death cross right there.
Right.
If you go to the 5-minute chart, the death cross has already started happening. The 20's already crossed the 50 and the 100. The 50 is now crossing over the 100. Within the next candle, the next 5-minute candle is going to have the 50 below the 100, so that death cross is there. So,
I think we're at a support level.
well, you're going to come back up and you're going to catch a rejection. You'll come back up. It's an impulse bounce, right? So you'll come back up. You'll get rejected off the 9156. It may play up to the 9198, but you're going to catch a rejection, and whenever it goes down, that's going to suck the EMAs down even faster. So your 50, if you go back to the 15-minute chart, ultimate play, if this was your lower high, if that 9471 was your lower high to the 9548, then this fall should go back to the 200, maybe even dip below a little bit, which would take some time to play out. But that 88 range, low 88s, depending on where the 200 winds up by the time it starts to play there.
Damn, I should have gone long again. Too late. Let this trade play itself out. My take profit is 9346. Now that's way up there.
You been playing Doge?
Yeah. I did 2 shorts and a long. They're all posted in general.
Yeah, I don't think that on 9346. I don't think that'll happen for a while.
Didn't take long for it to fall through it. 1 hour.
Yeah, it fell through it pretty quick with all these death crosses coming in now. You go to the 5-minute, everything's curled over. What's the next candle? That was the next candle right there. So the 50 is crossing over to 100. It would have to have an Elon tweet right now to save it.
Notice how little he tweets anymore.
Well, he tweets, but he don't tweet about Doge.
Nope.
I got to watch that call that he done the other day where he was firing people. He asked that kid how many hours a week should a person work, and he said 30. Need to spend more time, for myself doing things. And he goes, well, you got plenty of time now. You're fired.
Well, he basically got rid of half the staff.
He bought it and took it private. He can do what the hell he wants to with it.
He has to still, of course, follow laws on hiring and firing, but he is giving people 3 months compensation. If he based it in Texas, he doesn't need a reason.
He made another video where he was pissed, man. He was like, they found a closet with these T-shirts and sweatshirts and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Stay woke.
Oh yeah, I've seen that. What was that about? Was he mad about it or what?
Well, later on, he was talking to old Joe, and he told Joe, he's like, he just couldn't believe the amount of stuff that they found throughout the facility of stuff that was never even sold, but the company had all this swag that was just junk.
Mm-hmm. Is it Google or Twitter? I can't remember, but they used to have a very lenient working schedule. I think they actually worked like 4 to 5 hours a day. The rest of the time was like gym or eating or things like that.
What, and that was the other thing they were showing is like they had all these special blend coffees and all these special donuts and fruits and all this food catered in all day long. It was mind blowing.
I worked at one of the
do to track those. It's been a Silicon Valley tradition that you just overcompensate these people because they make you so much money.
Right. Another company that does that is like
Google,
QL, a banking company. QL. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah. I personally have seen it. I work construction, so you can, fill in the blanks. But yeah, they have a lot of little, I guess, commodities for employees.
Yeah,
and
the
they,
banking industry isn't known for that.
on every floor, I think. Fairly sure it's on every floor. You're talking about variety of like nuts and things like that, which I do feel like they had a little extra, but not that bad. Not like Twitter, at least.
Right.
Which,
I mean, you were right on this drop.
let's go. I've been playing with chilies for the past week. Made some and I've lost some, but overall I've come on top. I put the Bollinger Bands and then MACD at RSI, and I just watched those two flip. When the RSI and the MACD flip together, I either short or long it, and it usually works out fairly good.
Good.
The RSI, MACD, and the Bollinger, once it's above or below.
Yeah, you only need about 2 indicators. That's all I use.
Yeah, it's about 3 myself, and then I also have Gator Rocks, and there is one of their indicators that they've made. It's about 70% accurate, and they draw out your supports and resistance. They play out fairly well. And that's really all I watch. Those 4 things.
If my staff was here today, we would be trading a lot more. We'd probably be doing 100 trades here, back and forth and back and forth. Shout them up.
Price action is fairly tight.
Yeah. Well, the price action on Doge isn't tight.
Usually Doge is the last one.
Yeah.
Usually Doge is the last. Oh, sorry. What was that, Clyde? Talking right over you.
If my staff was here, I would probably have done 60 trades in the last hour. Because I can shout them out to them, buy this, buy that, add more. So I have 3 people that just punch in numbers.
I think I've noticed that Doge is one of the last ones to move, and once the Doge is moving, it usually ends up being
Yeah.
afterwards for the market itself.
I agree.
It's like the lagging indicator.
Yeah.
What's up, yo?
What's up, Shorty? Is that Randall?
Yeah, what's up, brother?
What up, Shorty? Just getting to the flip house. Have to start working.
All right, where do you work?
Aside from my regular job, I help somebody flip houses here
Oh,
and there.
okay, got you.
Yeah.
What do you do for your regular work? If you don't mind me asking.
No, that's fine. I do parking decks, so like concrete mostly. We do caulking, waterproofing, a bunch of other shit, but mostly it's concrete repairs. Take bad concrete out, put it back in. Carpentry, all that good stuff that goes along with it.
Is that a union gig or?
Yes, I'm a labor. A pension. Pension's what got me in it. If it's there later on.
Oops.
Oh, the load's gonna keep dropping, it looks like, huh?
Uh-uh.
Go on, do what you need to do so we can know where you're going.
I gotta fix me something to eat. I'll be back.
Chain link to pump 2x this week. Great channel, keep it up tight. Chainlink broke resistance and going up towards $8 today.
Whee!
Sup gang.
Everybody shopping today or something?
I'm just getting to work.
I worked yesterday. I told the boss, I was like, nope, I'm not working Saturday. Nope, nope, nope.
Yeah, I always work every other weekend, so this is my normal.
I don't know who bought all the secret, but good God, it's up 14%. Look at that USDT go. Bob, you still in your Bitcoin short? You might be smoking a cigarette.
He's drinking his morning blood.
Uh,
Clive only smokes to blow the smoke in the face of his victims as he drinks their blood out of a crystal glass.
Good job Lagmaster007. Give it about an hour and collect those 50 PT bonuses and you're over the top. I like this channel for the commentary and charts. Thanks for the support. Good job, TD.
One. Hello. Anyone there? Is everyone dead? Thought for sure OG would be in here at least. Yo, yo.
What up, Shorty?
Oh, you are in here, you piece of poop. I just got off fucking support with YouTube
Good morning,
for
B.
like 2 hours.
Why, what's up?
It's basically nothing they can do. There's an automated system, and it takes into account a bunch of factors, including reports, and then like I have to wait for the real person to come after I appeal it to correct the issue.
What happened, B?
All the videos are still getting demonetized.
All of them?
Yeah. And they're only monetized after I'm live, which means nothing because nobody fucking watches them like old videos.
On my desktop, for some reason, on BIOS, I've had trouble with YouTube. I can't really play it that well. I don't understand it on my laptop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my phones I have that I don't have I just have it on the Wi-Fi, and I'll keep it running on there. My bad, man.
Might as well just watch on Twitch now, because
YouTube ain't working, man.
Well, for
What
future
are they doing?
reference, I mean, if you fix it, if it gets fixed.
What?
For future reference, if it gets fixed.
What, the monetization?
Yeah.
I think for this video, maybe, because I just got on call with them, but in the future.
So what's the reason that they're giving you that they're taking you down?
It's a bunch of bullshit.
So is it somebody reporting you, or is it just random?
There's no, there's no transparency on it. They said it's multiple factors.
You should be able to get a report of what's going on and report it. No, they don't do that. How you feeling, B?
Feeling good. Not really.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. Mm.